Looking for the best rubber mallet for your project? You've come to the right place. Let's break down the key features you should consider when buying a rubber mallet. First is the head material. Some rubber mallets have softer heads for delicate work, while others have harder ones for those tougher jobs. Think about how you will use the rubber mallet to know which head material is needed for your project. Second, the handle material. Wood handles can absorb vibrations well, making them more comfortable to use. Fiberglass handles, on the other hand, are lightweight and extremely durable. Metal handles are the toughest ones but can be heavier compared to wood or fiberglass ones. Next, the weight and size. A heavier mallet packs more punch, while a lighter one may not deliver the force needed for some tasks. Consider the handle's size and length for better grip. Remember, bigger isn't always better. Sometimes a small and lighter choice is what you need for your project. Lastly, the design. You'll find rubber mallets with either one face or two. A double-faced rubber mallet can be handy as it gives you two surfaces to work with, while a single-faced rubber mallet is more likely to be used for a specific project. Before we reveal the list, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tools and equipment reviews like this one. Now, here are our top picks for the best rubber mallets, starting with the Stanley rubber mallet. This mallet is praised for its high-quality construction and effective design. Users also appreciate its sturdy build and the smooth finish of the handle. Its wood handle ensures a comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during extended use. However, some users have expressed mixed comments about its overall appearance. Next, we have the Estwing rubber mallet that stands out with its innovative triple wedge construction. This construction securely attaches the hammerhead to its hickory handle, designed to withstand rigorous use. The mallet is also celebrated for its versatility with its dual hardness head, one soft and one hard side for different types of impacts and applications. One of the best sellers is the Pittsburgh rubber mallet, known for its affordable price and high-quality performance. Featuring a solid rubber head, it promises great force without marring your workpiece. Its smooth hardwood handle makes it light to carry while ensuring every strike delivers the power you need for the work. Wrapping this list is the Tekton double-faced soft mallet. Designed for working with soft materials and delicate finishes, this mallet features dual soft faces that deliver the perfect force while protecting your workpiece from damage. Its lightweight steel handle also features a soft, cushioned handle grip, offering ultimate non-slip comfort and control. That's it. Remember, the right tool can make a huge difference in the success of your project. Have you tried any of these rubber mallets? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more industry reviews and insights.